every time I wear this, I have a compliment. If I had to choose one perfume to wear in this world, it's just good.
Put the D on me, even Dr. Dre went and put the B on me. But my pussy so exclusive, limited edition. You know it's love, pretty bitches with ambition. Bees on the keys, never go in the ignition. But when I ride it, do it to precision. I can tell that.
Hey YouTube, it's your girl Monica, and today I'm back with another video. If you're new, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Make sure you follow me on all my social medias. They will all be listed down below. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. So today's video is going to be a video I've never done before. It's going to be a video that I was actually debating on filming. I don't know, but I wanted to introduce this type of content to my channel because it's a topic and thing that I really love. So it's like, why not share that with y'all? So today I'm going to be filming, if you can't tell already by the title, I'm going to be filming my most complimented perfume scent. And I'm also going to be giving y'all my up-to-date 2024 perfume collection. Today, I'm going to be sharing all the scents I feel like I get the most compliments on. Like, every time I wear these scents, somebody starts and says, oh my God, what are you wearing? So I just wanted to share these with y'all. Share the must-buys. Like, you need these perfumes. And also, I feel like some of the perfumes that I'm showing, a lot of them have been like hyped up on TikTok and just on social media. So I just want to give y'all the real of the product and of the scents also. We're just gonna dive straight into it. Before I start the video, I just wanted to give a full warning that I'm more of like a vanilla, gourmand, sweet smelling perfume type of girl. Like, I'm not into the fresh or the floral. I might wear floral here and there depending on the occasion, but I gravitate more towards vanilla and sweet type of smells. So the first most complimented perfume that I have in my collection, this is not in no particular order, just wanted to mention that, would be the YSL Libre perfume. So with this perfume, I have the regular YSL Libre and then I also have the Intense. Now, would I say these two are sisters? No, I would say they're more so cousins. Like, you could tell they're in the same family, but they give two different vibes. Let me just start off with the YSL Libre. So the YSL Libre has notes of floral, citrus, lavender, vanilla, sweet, powdery, animalic, woody, and fruity. And I'll also say it has orange in here too. So this perfume, compared to the Intense, I would wear this perfume every day. Like, if I'm going out, if I'm going to the store, I would spray this on. Definitely more vanilla-y than orangey, but I would say you could wear this every day. But with the Intense, I would definitely categorize the Intense as an evening wear. I would more so gravitate this if I'm going on a date or if I'm going to maybe cocktail hour or anything like that. This is way more dense and way more vanilla-y and more sexy compared to the regular YSL Libre. But these, every time I wear these, no matter the occasion, I get complimented on. These two, they're a must-have in your collection. So the next perfume I'm going to show y'all, I feel like it's kind of one of those, everybody named mama have this scent, and just by saying that, y'all should know what it is. It's the Guerlain Rouge 540. I feel like I said, everybody named mother has this scent. Like, yeah, I don't ever wear this by itself. Usually I wear this as a base for my perfumes. All of my perfumes, I mix them together. Like, depending on the vibe I'm going for, I'll put this one on top of this one or that one on top of this one. This one is my base. 9 times out of 10 is my base. Especially if I'm going out, I'll put this one first. This one, it gives me amber, woody. It kind of smells like metal at the same time too, if that makes any sense. I mean, it makes sense to me. I don't know. And it also smells fresh. It smells warm. Like, if I could think of a scenery, I could think of like a lumberjack in the woods, but not in a bad way. I know it's unisex, so I know anybody could wear it. A man, woman, whatever you want to go with for the day. It's unisex, so it's not catered to this gender or that gender. But every time I wear this, no matter what perfume I have on, I think this kind of like gives a base for the perfume. So this, yeah. But with this collection, I've smelled the other fragrances. I know these start at like $300+ depending on the size you get. I smelled the like Fluidity and all the other ones. This one is like the base, so this is the one I got. I do want to look into more. I think the next one I want to get, it's one with the gold bottle called like Grand Seyor, and then also the A La Rose. I know I'm probably saying those wrong. I'll put the pictures on the screen. Okay. Next on my list for most complimented fragrance will have to be the Carolina Herrera Good Girl collection. So this one is the original Good Girl, and then I have the one in the red bottle. The difference between these two, I would say this one smells more vanilla-y, almondy. I get some fragrance of like cacao in this one. And with the red bottle, it's the same base, but with this one you add rose, and then you also add like a velveteer type of scent to it. I strictly wear these on date night, okay? Like if I'm going on a date, if I'm going out with my mans, these are the two I gravitate towards. Every time I wear these two, chef's kiss, they want to know who am I, because I just smell so good with these two, either one. I also want to get the blush one of those. I think that one smells a little sweeter than those two. I want to see if I can get into that, but I've been trying to slow down with buying perfume because as y'all see at the end of the video, I have a lot. So the next scent I'm about to show y'all is actually a newer scent to my collection. I actually got this perfume for my birthday. So this is the Billie Eyelish perfume. Yeah, if I had to describe my personality in a scent, it would definitely be this. This is like, for me, the all epitome of what I would want my perfume to smell like. Like if I had the ability, if I was in the manufacturing and making a perfume, this Billie Eilish perfume is vanilla. It's very gourmand, sweet, a little bit of amber in it, vanilla. Okay, the best way to describe it is vanilla. This is what, you know, I'm not supposed to know, because this just smells so, oh my god. This just smells so good to me. If I had to or was able to manufacture perfume, it would definitely be this. I wouldn't put so much amber in it, but I would add some like caramel, maybe rose in it, and then that'll be my signature perfume. Just saying, if anybody was interested in knowing. But every time I wear this, yeah. So the next perfume is kind of like different for me, because I'm not really into fresh flowery scent. But Miss Dior, every time I wear this, somebody asks me what I'm wearing. So the notes for this is rose, flowery, musky, sweet, iris, like real flowery, real fresh smelling, but it's also sweet at the same time. Like it has some notes of fruit in it or something. Every time I wear this, it smells really good. This perfume, I wouldn't, like, you know when some people wear perfume and it's like, oh, that's too strong. You know, like some perfumes you wouldn't wear to the office going to work. This perfume, you could wear this anywhere and everywhere. It won't bother nobody. I mean, of course, some people are allergic to perfumes, but if you're starting on a perfume collection, I would definitely start off with Miss Dior. The next two scents I'm gonna mention them together. They're not by the same person, but they're not, but they are. So these two scents, I actually got them from Rebel Scents. I got these scents from Rebel Scents, and I've actually had them for a long time. I think I got these when I first started really getting into perfumes. These two were like some of my first perfumes that I bought because they were cheap. I think they were like maybe no more than $30-$40 at the time I bought them. So anyways, the first one I have, it is called, I'm gonna pronounce this wrong, it is called La Amoureuse Les Infinis. I know I said that I messed up, I know. Okay, so this scent, I don't even know how to describe it. So this scent, it has like apple, like a red fruit in there, patchouli. I love patchouli, like patchouli, orange flower, vanilla, rose. It has a little bit of everything in there. But when I wear this, I get a lot of compliments because I feel like it's not one of those scents that's so overpowering. A good smelling scent. Like I wouldn't even mind my house smelling like this. Like this just smells so good. The next scent I also have is by, well not by, but I got it from Rebel Scents. It's Délice Nacré by Jonah Be. Now this scent, this is one of those like illusion scents. I'm gonna try to describe it correctly. So the notes of it is musky, powdery, amber, yellow flower, sweet, aldehydic, rose, woody, animalic, and floral. I don't know how to describe it, but you need it, okay? is just good. Okay, so the next two scents, I'm also gonna mention them together because they're from the same brand. They're from the same line but different scents. So these are Flower Bomb. Flower Bomb was my first love. Like when I got into perfumes and I got this, I will wear this every day. This is actually my second bottle of Flower Bomb. I just love it so much. This is Flower Bomb, and then this is Flower Bomb Dew. It's still Flower Bomb, but it's just the Dew version, and then this is the original version. So both these have floral, powdery, citrus, warm, rose scents. The difference is this one has more so patchouli and a warm, spicy scent, and then this one has a more floral, aquatic, vanilla-y scent. But they smell alike. They're like, I would say these two are sisters. They're not cousins, they're sisters. They just got different daddies. But I definitely like these two scents. I wouldn't say I like one more than the other. I like them equally. I think I will wear this one more so every day, and then I will wear this one on a date, you know. But they smell very similar. So the next thing I have, I bought this because of the hype it had on TikTok, and I was like, there's no way it could be that good. And then I got it and the bottle's almost done. This is Valentino, Born in Rome. So the notes of this is woody, vanilla, fruity, soft, spicy, powdery, green, and citrus. I read the notes on Valentino's website and just also on the internet. I don't really smell that, but you know, smells are different with everybody, to be honest. I smell woody, and I also smell vanilla. But I think like my body chemistry, it just smells good with the vanilla scent as it is. My body chemistry, and also I live in a very humid state. I live in Florida. So all of that, you have to mind, like, these might smell good on me, but you have to factor in like your body chemistry, where you live at, if it's a dry, humid states, and just all of those factors play a part in it too. I just feel like my body chemistry just smells better with vanilla-y scents. I feel like this is a great, first of all, this is a great gift. I feel like I never really met anybody or seen anybody say they don't like this perfume. It just smells really good. And this also, I feel like it's like an everyday perfume. I rate this a 9 out of 10. This is really good. Only thing I don't really like about it is that it's kind of the green musky part of it. I don't really too much care for that, but everything else, I like this perfume. The next scent that I'm gonna show you is really like an oldie but a goodie. It is the Prada Candy. This is the original Prada Candy. The notes of this is caramel, powdery, vanilla, sweet, warm, spicy. If y'all haven't gotten the pattern, that's what I'm drawn to. This scent, I feel like any age range could wear this scent. If you're young, older, it's a good scent. It's not overpowering at all. And actually, I have a confession. I actually spray perfume on myself before I'm going to bed. I don't know, I just like to smell good all the time. I gravitate towards this perfume a lot when I'm getting ready for bed, just spray it on myself. I just love this scent. I feel like a young teenager could wear this scent, an older lady could wear this scent. This is an oldie but a goodie. And every time I wear it, it smells very subtle, but they be like, oh, you smell really good. Yep, Prada Candy. This scent, ugh, I love this so much. This is Delina Perfumes de Marley, and I'm actually almost out of it, but this scent smells so good. This is a good everyday scent for me. I think this is like, between this one and the one I'm about to show y'all next, are my signature scents. Every time I wear this, I have a compliment. I get a compliment. This is my second bottle, I believe. This scent is so good. So the notes on this is rose, floral, fruity, fresh, musky, tropical, and also woody. I think it just checks all the boxes when it comes to smelling like a woman. This scent is so good. You need this. The price, it's pretty pricey. I think it starts at like $3 something, but I think it's worth the price. That's just me personally. And the last scent I'm gonna show y'all is actually my all-time favorite perfume. I probably said that multiple times in this video, but if I had to choose one perfume to wear in this world for the rest of my life, it'll be this one. This is Love Don't Be Shy by Killian, to be exact. This smells like a girly girl perfume. Like, it's like a girly girl perfume, but for mature, like you're mature, like the girly girl in middle school and high school grew up. This is what this smells like. So it smells like sweets, marshmallows, rose, fruity. I'm actually almost out, if y'all could see that. I need to buy another bottle, but This smells so freaking good. The marshmallows in this, I just feel like I'm activating all my womanhood. Like, I love that scent so much. And every time I wear it, they be like, even men like, what do you have on that smells so good? Get your girl killing in love, don't be shy. She can smell like me, honey. This just smells so good. So those are all my most complimented perfumes that I have in my collection for 2023 and 2024. Next, I'm about to show y'all my whole perfume collection. I don't think I'm gonna go into details of each scent. I'm just gonna show y'all, give y'all the names of each one, and keep it pushing like that. And yeah, let's get started.
Word on road is the click about the blow. You ain't gotta run and tell nobody, they already know. We've been living on a high, they've been talking on the low, but it's cool. Know you heard it all before, that's why I asked you how you mean, how you mean. Thought you knew about the team, hey, yeah. That's why I asked you how you mean, how you mean. Thought you knew about the team, hey, yeah. How you mean, what you know about the team. Man, these niggas need to stop it, they be crowding up the scene. Baby girl, you need to stop it, all that pride and self-esteem. Got you angry about this girl I'm with in all the magazines. Baby, she look like a star, but only on camera, only on camera, only on camera. Look like we're in love, but only on camera, only on camera, only on camera. Don't listen to the lies, I swear they all lies. You know I could be a knight in shining armor, all ties. Trying to tell you I'm the one, come and holler at me for I'm on the next.
So if y'all made it this far, thank y'all so much for watching my video. If y'all like these types of videos, let me know. I could definitely give y'all some more, give y'all like quarterly updates of my perfume collection, my new pickups, things like that. But if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on all my social medias, honey. But thank y'all so much. Love y'all. See y'all in the next one. Bye.
Barbie, bitch, if you still in doubt. And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Big feel like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Gabby, Stacy, Nikki. All of the Barbies is pretty. Damn. All of the Barbies is bad.